You search for how to buy shares of LSL Property Services Plc. LSL Property Services Plc is a UK property services group listed on LSE PLC under the ticker LSL.L, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your accounts, usually with an identity document, and add funds to make purchases. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker LSL.L to locate the company. Select the matching LSL Property Services Plc listing from the results to open its page. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the page shows LSL Property Services Plc and the LSL ticker before proceeding. Click Buy or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details such as order type and any fees before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute later, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can review it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform.